Hey, it's Ginny, LearnWithGinny.com, the tech tip mom here with the answer to a question. A while back, I did a video on how to find your notes because that was another question I had, which was, a lot of us in the network marketing, home business space, we follow a lot of gurus around, we take a lot of advice, and we do a lot of stuff that we've been told to do, right? And one of the things that I heard over the years, and, I implemented a little bit, but not that much, because I didn't like that Facebook owned my blog if I treated Facebook as a blog, which, it's a good strategy because, you really can do some cool stuff. But what happened now is that Facebook decided to do away with notes, and that's what people were using to write their articles and blog posts on Facebook. So then if you didn't back them up, if you didn't keep them somewhere else, they're gone, right? That's what you think. So I showed you how to find them on your desktop, which was a lot easier. I didn't quite know how to find them on the mobile app, but I figured it out. So that's what I'm here to show you today because somebody asked me how to find them on your phone. I didn't even think about finding them on my phone, honestly, because I'm older and I like to use the desktop when I'm typing notes. But a lot of us home business people use our phones more and more. And we even compose books and notes, on our phones. So it's kind of cool that we can do all that. But where do we find our past notes so that we can back them up and keep them? And enough ado, let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to get myself out of the way so you can see my phone here. Put me over here. Okay, so you hit the little menu in the upper right-hand corner, the three lines right there. Then you hit, I wrote a list to myself so that I would be able to, you hit settings and under settings and privacy, you hit settings. And then you scroll down until you find your Facebook information right here. And then you hit access your information. And then you scroll down until you find your activity across Facebook. And then you scroll down until you see notes. So now I can tap my note, a note that I wrote, right? And do what I want with it. Copy and paste it into some other place or whatever. So those are all of my notes. I didn't write a lot of them on my personal page. Can you find them on your page? Probably. I didn't find them off the bat. But, I always wrote notes on both. So I don't know if that's what you did. And I don't know if that answers your question. I'll come back on another video when I figure out how to find them on my page too. It's probably similar, but I don't want to click around and waste your time. I want it to be quicker for you. So that's it. That is how you find your notes. I hope that answers your question. Make it a great day. And, drop more. It gives me more material to share. I like figuring this stuff out anyway. And if I figure it out, I'm happy to help. And if I don't, well, I don't. No big deal. Because there's a lot of tech information out there for our home businesses and a lot of stuff. Now, if you need some help with any of it, make sure you reach out. That's what I do. Make it a great day. Subscribe to my newsletter so you don't miss out on any upcoming stuff. There's always stuff going on in the background that you have no idea about because I don't put it out there. I put it into my list. Anyway, see you later.